Welcome to OSR Garage. Today we are going to talk about Lastfit and their plug-and-play LED replacement bulbs. So let's go. Okay, so you can probably see here behind me that we have some Lastfit Pro Series light bulbs. Now these are going to replace the low beams, and they are plug-and-play. So there's no adding resistors or anything like that. Lastfit's been doing this since 2015. You probably have heard of them, but they are some of the best lighting that you can get for your vehicle. So let's take a little look at what these bulbs look like and what you can expect when you get them for your vehicle. Box comes in really nice. See, you got a little book there. Oh, you get some awesome little stickers. Actually, you get several different ones. You get white, black, red. That's pretty cool. So you've got your bulbs here, and they've got built-in fans to keep them cooled off. And then you also have new dust covers that have some venting in there to push that air out while they're trying to cool off, and gives it a little bigger size to make sure everything fits in there okay. But there's your little plug. It's going to plug right into your existing things. Nothing you have to worry about changing. Nice little setup, everything you need right there. So we'll do a little before and after of what it looks like coming from my F-150. They have all makes and models. You can find these on their website. I will have a link down in the description, and if you use OSR 10, you get 10% off your order. These are affiliate links, so I do get a little percentage back, but that just goes to help OSR Garage provide this content to you and bring the stuff that you want to see. I will have a link for the ones for the 2018 F-150. I believe it's 2018 to 2020. I know we're all the same, but they may cover more ranges, so you might just have to check that out if you click on the link. I'm going to show you some before and after video, and what we have in here right now, I changed these out about 6 to 8 months ago. They are the Silverstar Ultras. They are my favorite halogen bulbs. I've loved them over the years, but we are going to switch them out with the Lastfit LED bulbs. Then we'll see how they look and which one looks better. Well, that's it, guys. You know, I cannot believe how much better they looked. They were so much brighter. I could actually see the road a lot better, and I have my windshield tinted, and I know you're not supposed to do that, but I do have my windshield tinted, and it made a huge difference. It actually made it look like my window wasn't tinted at all. So if you thought that these were great and you want a set, like I said, affiliate links down in the description. Use OSR 10 for 10% off of your entire order. They also have floor liners, and they are excellent floor liners. If you didn't see the floor liners I put in my ID4, they are by Lastfit also. They have perfect seams matched up in your vehicle exactly the way that you would want it to cover all those areas of the carpet so you don't get that dirty. And the quality is just as good, and I think it's better than some of the higher end companies, and I'm sure you can think of the ones that I'm talking about. They're very similar, but I think they're better, and they're at a way better price. So make sure that you guys use the affiliate links down below. Get you some low beams or some high beams. They even have whole kits that you can gauge out your high beams, your turn signals, your low beams, your rear lights, all of it in one kit. So take a look at that also. And that is all I've got for you guys today. Lastfit has awesome products. Check them out, and I will see you later.